Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
How is that so many sages of the past, they proclaim Aham Brahmasmi.
Brahmasmi hai, you are Brahma, because you are part and parcel of Parabrahma.
No, when you say part
That I already told you, that gold, big gold, and a small particle, that is gold. Similarly, Bhagavan Parabrahma, and we are part and parcel. I am Brahma, but I am not Parabrahma. Krishna is accepted as Parabrahma, Parabrahma, Param Dham, Pavitram Paramam Bhavan. Parabrahma. So Param, this word is used. Paramatma, Parabrahma, Parameshwar. Why? That is the difference. One is supreme and one is subordinate. Subordinate Brahma is your Brahma. There is no doubt about it. But not a Parabrahma. If you are Parabrahma, then you are making sadhana to become Parabrahma. Why? If you are Parabrahma, then you are Parabrahma always. Why you are fallen into this condition that you have to perform sadhana to become Parabrahma? That is silly. You are not Parabrahma, you are Brahma. You are gold, a small party. But you cannot say that I am gold mind. That you cannot. Parabrahma, Param Dhama, Pavitram, Paramasma.
You check it, checking if it's time to go. Are you going to come with us also? Very good.
Very little water. These my disciples, they are part and parcel of me. Whole mission is going on with their cooperation. But if he says that I am equal to my Guru Maharaj, that is not right.
Sometimes Guru desires that my disciples will rise high to me or not.
That means he is in lower state. That you have to accept first of all.
Like every father sees that his children grow.
Yes, still father remains father.
Father
and child
remains father, but he feels that
but
he
a child cannot become
in
father.
progress.
No. The father may want to see that his son is equally qualified. But still the father is father and child.
Yes,
That is perpetual. Similarly, a part and parcel of God may be very powerful, but that does not mean he has become God.
Other traditions, Guru, disciple, then the disciple becomes Guru, then disciple. It goes like chain.
Let you not change.
It's going on that way.
In the absence of Guru, the disciple acts, but does not, he never says that I have become equal or one to Guru. That is not so.
I know little about this. Your Guru Maharaj was teacher is there.
Yes.
And there's your teacher is there.
Yeah.
So disciple is Guru to his disciple.
That's all right. Even parampara prapta. But that does not become, he has become. He may be representative of Guru, representative of God, but it does not mean that he has become God.
But he becomes Guru to his disciple.
That's all right.
He doesn't equal to his Guru.
Not equal, representative. Not equal. I send one representative of business, and he may be very expert, doing very good business. Still, he cannot be equal to me. is acting as my representative, another. But not that he has become the original proprietor.
Amongst your disciples, you are taken as Guru. Guru Maharaj.
But they will never say that yes, they have become equal. I am a powerful woman. Never. Just like this part is offering obeisance. He may be expert in preaching more than me, but he knows that I am subordinate. Otherwise, I shall offer obeisance. He can think, oh, now I am so learned, I am so advanced. Why shall I accept it? No. That continues. Even after my death, after my disappearance, he will offer obeisances to my
But
teacher.
amongst his disciples, he will be worshipped.
That's all right, but he remains a disciple of his Guru. He will never say that now I have become Guru, that I don't care for my Guru. He will never say. He will never say. Just like I am doing, okay, but I am worshipping my Guru still. So I remain subordinate to my Guru, always. Even though I become Guru, still I am subordinate to my Guru.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.